we are given a multiple choice question. It asks, what percentage of disturbed area must be restored to earn 2 points? Let's look closely at the answers. Under North Carolina scoring, the 1-point level happens at 20% restored, and the 2-point level happens at 40% restored. This means that only when 40% of the disturbed area is restored do we earn the full 2 points. Therefore, the correct answer is C, 40%. Always remember to check the specific requirements for each credit level in the scoring rubric. Restoration has to go beyond just a percentage. It must include native or adapted vegetation with at least 10 species that are appropriate for the ecoregion and at least 110 square feet of pollinator habitat. These requirements ensure the restored area functions ecologically. So the correct choice is answer C. 40% of the disturbed area must be restored to earn 2 points, along with all of the habitat and species requirements we reviewed. To summarize, under SSc1 Option 1 Path 2, for previously disturbed sites, restore 40% of the disturbed area plus the native and pollinator components to get the 2 points.